Adam with Tribe-16 here today. We're going to talk about our overhead parapanel. We designed this parapanel basically to have a spot to mount your CB or race radio or GMRS radio. It was kind of hard to find spots to mount these radios in these vehicles. That's kind of how we came up with it. Installation is real easy. All you have to do is take off the freedom panels, come in from the top, give it a little centering. We supply several self-tapping screws. Just use the self-tapping screws into the cage. We do give you extras because this material is very hard and it might take more than one screw to get it done. And that's it. Just finished installing the Tribe-16 parapanel. We've got a rugged radio, VHF radio mounted up there. You could put a CB, GMRS radio, anything you want up top, extra pouches. You can find them at tribe16.com.